In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide followers on LinkedIn and hide follower count from other LinkedIn members on mobile. Your follower list and the number attached to it say a lot about your presence on LinkedIn, and not everyone wants that information public. Today, I'll show you exactly where to change these settings and what each option means, so you can choose the level of privacy that fits you. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. From the main screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open your account area. Then tap Settings. On some phones, this appears as a small gear icon. Inside Settings, look for Visibility. LinkedIn groups all controls about what others can see about you in this section. Tap Visibility, then scroll all the way to the bottom and select Followers. On the Followers page, you'll find the controls that determine who can follow you and who can see your follower list and total follower count. If you leave the setting on Everyone on LinkedIn, people outside your network can follow your public updates, and your follower information can be visible more broadly across the platform. This is useful if you're intentionally trying to build reach. If you switch the setting from Everyone on LinkedIn to Your Connections, you tighten things up. Only people you've connected with will be able to follow you, and your follower list and follower count will no longer be visible to members outside that group. You'll still be able to post and interact as usual, but your audience becomes more private. There is an important trade-off. When you move from Everyone on LinkedIn to Your Connections, you lose any out-of-network followers you currently have. If your strategy involves reaching people beyond your immediate connections, consider this before you change it. You can always return to this menu and switch it back later, but out-of-network followers who were removed won't automatically come back. They would need to follow you again once you reopen following. After you make your choice, give LinkedIn some time to update. Changes to follower visibility can take up to about 24 hours to fully apply across the app. If you don't see the change right away, that delay is normal. By adjusting these options, you can hide your followers and total follower count from other members and keep tighter control over your online presence. Revisit your visibility settings occasionally to make sure they still match your preferences, and return to the followers menu anytime to update them. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more simple, useful tips.